Alright guys, welcome out to the shop. Today I want to show you guys how to do a DIY ring light. We've done it. We've created our own ring light and cost way less than $120. Alright, for this we're going to need four different things. First we're going to need a wreath. Pick them up at Walmart. They're like $3.50. Then we're going to need some outdoor daylight LED ropes. Make sure you get daylight on them. And then of course we're gonna need some aluminum foil, and I'm cheap, so I got the off-brand. Don't think it's gonna make a difference. And then of course, we need handy dandy zip ties. Alright, before we get going, I need to make a few adjustments to the workshop so you get a better angle. First we're going to take our wreath, we're going to take our foil. What we're going to do is we're going to wrap around the outside edges. Just like so. What that's going to do is that's going to allow us to reflect the lighting off the aluminum. Like so. So, enjoy, watch it. I'll speed this up for you. Alright, so there it is. If you want it flat and smooth, grab a hammer and watch the tinfoil ball method. Otherwise, just leave it and it'll work just fine. Next, we're going to grab our lights and we're going to start off with the left side here. And we're going to take it and wrap it all the way around the edges here, and tying it on with zip ties. You can do it all at once, or you can do 3 at a time. It's up to you. So first I'm going to start off with the zip tie. Just to start it off. Alright, here we are. We have it complete. So now all we have to do is cut off our zip ties. And here's our cord hanging out the back, the bottom side, and so we are good to go. One thing I do is hide the zip ties on the back and then cut them off. That way you don't end up cutting yourself when you grab it around the edges. Alright, now let's plug it in. We've got it complete, and let's see what happens. Oh, it turns on! There it is. There is our light. So, let's check it out. Hey, that's pretty nifty. I'm gonna turn the lights off. Ready? Oh. Alright, so there we have it. Let's turn this down a little bit so you can see. That's what it looks like. We've done it. We've created our own ring light, and cost way less than $120. The only downside to this is it's not dimmable, but it's got some sweet light. I'm excited. Who wants to go shoot another YouTube video? Pick me, pick me.